Welcome guys. So today I'm with Pioneer E6 wireless earbuds and I'm gonna show you how you can connect them with your Android smartphone. So at first you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%, and next you will find this button, the multifunction button. So you have to click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking on the blue and the red. So click and hold, keep holding, and now release. The next step, open Bluetooth on your Android phone, click to pair new device, and select from the list your earbuds. Now just be patient and wait. Accept this pairing request, and as you can see we are successfully connected. So that's how we can make it, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.